Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's another tutorial for you guys. On today's tutorial guys, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this beautiful fan gele. So guys, to start with, I'm using this ashoke. It's a kind of net ashoke. I don't know if you have seen it before. So the system I'm using is 70-30 because majority of this gele, they don't used to be long, so you just have to adjust it in a way that it will be enough for you to plait the fan gele. So you divide it 30-70. One side is shorter, while the other side is the 70 part. So you place the gele on your head, you start to form your plaits. Form as many plaits as you can, and always remember to arrange the gele on both sides to make it look flat when you cross over. So arrange your gele. By arranging it, you have to just trace the plates one after the other to make it look flat on both sides. So when I'm done, I'm so sorry I couldn't show you guys the back of this gele because we are really in a hurry, to like move out. This is group of Ashebi girls. For a bridal makeup, I went on Saturday. So what I did at the back is to just cross over. The longer parts, which is the 70, is coming up, while the shorter parts went up. As you can see on the screen, she's holding it for me. So when you come up with the 70 part of this gele, you try to form more plaits with the 70. As you are forming your plates, always remember to check when you will start your fans. And remember, whenever you start forming your fan plates, remember to make the fans slantly. As you can see on the screen. So I'm going to go ahead and form my fan from the beginning to the end. As you form your fan, as you form your fan, you trace the plates down. In that way, you are moving down to the back. So guys, if today is your first time you are stopping by my channel, you are so welcome to this great family. Please stay tuned. Remember to click on that subscribe button. And remember, if you are here, you are not supporting your girl, please kindly support me in any way you can. Let this ministry keep moving. You can support me by sharing my video, giving me a thumbs up, and dropping your comments. Let's communicate more. So form your plates from the beginning to the end. So guys, I'm sorry to say this. I forgot to go for this makeup with my pins. Pins help fan gele to stand well because you need pin to make both sides stand very well. So guys, but I was able, so what I did is after the fan, I asked her to hold where the fan stopped. Then I tie it with the 30 at the back. Remember to twist it at the back before you tie it. Twisting it will make your fan stand even when somebody is not holding it for you. So when I'm done, in order to make both sides look equal, I'm going to go ahead and pleat. I had my pins, it would have come out, looking well because ashoke with fan girl is always beautiful, whether you use pin or not, but at times you need to use pin. So guys, what I did is I was able to like get needle from the owners of the house. So I'm using it to like sew the back. So guys, that is all for this tutorial. Just trying to amend some parts that is not, standing the way I want it to be. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, kindly support your girls. Like I said before, support me the little you can. Share this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't be stingy with thumbs up, please. So guys, I'm done. I'm just doing little arrangements. Let me allow you guys to enjoy the rest of the tutorial. See you in my next video. Bye.